Can you believe with just chicken, cream, and a few ingredients you can make this? Just like a restaurant.
Yes.
Look at this. Dig in. Today, I'm going to cook delicious, creamy chicken pasta for the whole family. I hope the market has really fresh chicken today. The morning in my hometown is so beautiful. Give me a piece of fresh chicken breast, please. This fresh cream will make the sauce richer. The more fragrant the cheese, the tastier the dish. No. Not this one either. This goes best with cream sauce. This is perfect. The herbs will make the dish more appealing. Adding more mushrooms will make it sweeter. Freshly ground pepper will be more fragrant. Olive oil makes food more fragrant. I'll take them home to make a side dish. This loaf looks perfect. It would be great with pasta. A little lemon would be just right. Excellent choice, miss. Enjoy. All the ingredients are there. Thank you. Let's go cook. Chắc chắn cả nhà sẽ rất thích những thứ này. Let's start cooking the creamy chicken pasta. Chào mọi người, chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu chuẩn bị món ăn với những nguyên liệu tươi ngon này nhé. Clean ingredients make the food taste better. The chicken breast needs to be really dry before pan frying.
Absolutely.
Để nấu thịt ngon, phải cắt thành từng miếng đều.
Simple marinade, but very fragrant. Let the meat rest to absorb the seasoning. The onions will melt into the sauce. Fragrant garlic is the soul of the sauce. Thin mushrooms will cook very quickly. Freshly grated cheese always tastes better. The fire is just right. The pasta water needs to be salty enough. Don't break the pasta. A gentle stir is enough. Preparing to sear the chicken. Don't flip it too soon. This color is perfect. Letting the meat rest will make it softer. The aroma is starting to develop. The mushrooms are ready for the cream sauce. Adding the whipped cream means the sauce is almost complete. Stir well to make the sauce smooth. The cheese will create a rich, creamy flavor. The taste is just right, very fragrant. The pasta is perfectly cooked. The cooking water will help the sauce adhere to the pasta better. Stir gently so the pasta doesn't break. This consistency is perfect. Gà vẫn còn rất mọng nước. Now all the ingredients are combined. Chút phô mai nữa chắc chắn sẽ ngon hơn nhiều. Thơm hơn nhến. Parsley makes the dish fresher. Just a little lemon. Just a little lemon. One more minute. And it's done. Delicious food needs to be visually appealing too. Let's begin the presentation. The chicken looks so golden. The sauce has to be evenly distributed to be delicious. Perfect. Family, the creamy chicken pasta is ready. This angle is the best. Another layer of sauce will make it more appealing. Cheese is always the finishing touch. Freshly ground pepper smells much better.
A little green is enough.
Anyone who likes a lighter taste can add lemon. Small details make perfect.
Ready to enjoy. Ready to enjoy. A glass of milk would be perfect.
It tastes better with bread. The pasta is so soft and fragrant. The chicken is still very tender. It looks delicious. Exactly the flavor I wanted. The chicken and sauce go together perfectly.
It tastes best when it's hot.
The light makes the food look more beautiful. Come in and eat, everyone. Bring it to the big table. The creamy chicken pasta is ready. Please enjoy. Let's all eat. The pasta is hot and delicious.
Today's dish looks so appetizing. It smells wonderful.
I can't wait to eat.
Let's dig in.
Grandma, please eat first. My granddaughter is so skillful.
Eat plenty of chicken, Grandpa. Thank you.
It smells delicious. This is fantastic.
Dad likes a lot of sauce. Thank you, my dear.
The chicken is so tender and fragrant.
It really is. Delicious, Dad.
Mom likes mushrooms, so I'll get more. Oh, that looks delicious. Thank you.
The cream sauce is just right.
This is your portion.
Thanks, big sister.
It's so delicious, sister.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Eat some more, wife.
Thank you, my love. It goes very well with bread.
Oh, thank you.
This is delicious.
This sauce is delicious with bread. It's been a long time since we've all been together like this.
As long as the whole family enjoys it, that's enough.
Wishing the whole family good health. Wishing the whole family good health.
Delicious.
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 The best meals are truly when the whole family is together. You brought me more, thank you.
Grandma, have some more sauce. Thank you, dear. The pasta is perfectly soft. The sauce is so fragrant.
It tastes even better this way. The chicken is perfectly cooked, very sweet.
Looks like someone's gonna have a big appetite today. I'm starving. Just one more scoop, please. It's still hot.
Let me give you a hand.
Thank you.
Looks delicious.
Everyone will get an equal share. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Absolutely delicious.
You're getting better and better at cooking. I just hope everyone enjoys their meal.
Wishing you good health.
Thank you.
It looks so beautiful, sister.
Yes, it does.
Eat slowly, dear.
Món này có thể được phục vụ trong một nhà hàng.
I'm happy that everyone enjoyed it.
We did, darling.
So delicious. Let's all help clean up. Sure.
Sure.
Sounds good, Mom. Grandfather, you can relax.
A delicious meal makes the new day even happier.
So true, Grandpa.
It's beautiful here.
Thank you for enjoying our creamy chicken pasta. See you at the next meal.